In this video, we're going to be learning how to create a new fixture profile. Once we open our light key project, we're going to click on the top left hand button. This is going to give us access to our patching screen. Then we're going to click on the gear icon to access the drop down menu. Then click on New Profile. Select a fixture type. In this case, we're going to do a blinder. Click Continue, and then name your fixture, manufacturer and fixture name. If you don't know what the name is, you can make one up. We're going to leave wash selected and then click on Continue. Click Continue one more time. And then on this screen, we're going to change channels 1 to channel 13. Click on Create. And now we have access to the profile fixture builder. First things first, you want to take a look at the owner's manual. In there you will find what each channel does and all of its functions. To save on some time, I'm just going to show you how to do the first one or two as a demonstration, and then I'll show the final product so that way you can get an idea of what it will look like at the end. To add a property, we're just going to click on the down arrow on the channel you want to add it to. However, as you will see in the manual, different effects, different functions will have different range. So you want to pay close attention to what the ranges are. For channel 2, we're going to do a custom effect. This will allow you to have control of an individual effects within a range. I want to fast forward and show you what the final profile looked like. This particular fixture had a lot of things going on because it had the ring light and a center light on each side. In order to export the profile fixture, go to where there is the icon to share on the top right hand corner. At least you can have the file. So once you export the file, you save it. In order to upload it into Lightkey, all you have to do is go click it and drag it. We're going to go over each function on the bottom portion of the screen. We're going to start towards our far left and then work towards our right. First thing is going to be our dimmer. This is our master dimmer. The second is our color wheel. This is only going to change the ring lights. Our strobe. Then comes our center light. This fixture has warm light or cool light. And you can choose either left or right. Then we're going to go into our center effects. the bottom speed adjustment, we'll either do forward speed or reverse speed. Then we're going to check out the ring effects. And then same thing as the other one, it does have a speed adjustment, forward speed or reverse speed. Now let's say, for example, you just wanted to use the center light. In order to only select those, you would have to black out the saturation on the color wheel. And if you wanted to add a dimmer effect, you just click on here, and this opens up all the dimmer effects, and you can click on the one that best fits what you're looking for. With this particular fixture, you have so many different effects to choose from. And it's applicable for any situation, really. Hope you learned something new from this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already done so. Till next time.